One stone, two birds. BJP's mega farmer outreach in Bengal stands true to its saying. As ahead of the state assembly elections, JP Nadda in Bengal kick-started Saffron Party's Ek Mutho Chal campaign to collect grains from farmer families across the state for Krishi Bhoj. Here's more.
BJP President JP Nadda in West Bengal again. His first visit since his convoy was attacked nearly a month ago. Nadda's mission this time to woo farmers ahead of the state assembly polls scheduled later this year. The Saffron Party chief became the flag bearer of the party's Ek Mutho Chal campaign in Bardhaman district on Saturday. He collected a handful of rice and had lunch at a farmer's house as part of the BJP's mega farmer outreach plan.
हमारी सरकार जब आती है तो हम किसानों को यहाँ न्याय दिलाएंगे, किसान सम्मान निधि दिलाएंगे, तो फसल बीमा योजना ठीक से लागू इसकी कोशिश करेंगे और साथ ही साथ किसान को उपज का सही दाम मिल सके, इन सब चीजों को करेंगे.
The BJP has set its target to approach 74 lakh farmers across 48,000 villages in 23 districts of Bengal. During the campaign, BJP workers will go door to door till the 24th of January seeking alms from farmers' families. The collected grain will then be utilized to prepare meals at community kitchens for farmers and the poor between 24th to 31st January. Addressing a rally in Katwa, Nadda once again attacked Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and accused her of blocking central schemes aimed to benefit farmers.
जी ने एक उदासीन रवैया अपनाया है. प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि लागू नहीं की, रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किया, रजिस्ट्रेशन की संख्या नहीं बताई. लगभग 76 लाख किसान ऐसे बताए जाते हैं जिनको किसान सम्मान निधि मिलना था.
The BJP president said that if voted to power in the state, the party's schemes will benefit 70 lakh Bengal farmers. At a time when centre is trying to break the deadlock in Delhi with protesting farmers, Nadda reiterated that the new farm laws benefit farmers.
जब से मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं, किसानों के लिए और कृषि के लिए केंद्र सरकार ने 6 गुना बजट बढ़ा दिया है, 6 गुना.
And this led to a war of words between the TMC and the BJP over which party really stands for farmers.
इनको यहाँ करना चाहिए था, वो दिल्ली जाकर के कर रहे हैं. ये इनका विरोधाभास है. पहली बात, जो इनको किसानों को यहाँ न्याय दिलाना चाहिए था वो दिलाया नहीं और ये वहाँ जाकर के आंदोलन कर रहे हैं.
আর ভারতবর্ষে কৃষকদের আয় দ্বিগুণ হতো, যেটা মোদি প্রতিশ্রুতি দিয়েছিলেন 2028 সাল অবধি লাগবে. এখানে কৃষকদের নিয়ে মহাভোজ না করে ওরা দিল্লির বর্ডারে যান না.
Nadda began his Bengal visit by offering prayers at the Radha Govindu Mandir in Katwa and also held a roadshow during his day-long visit.
Amidst all the controversies that the central government has been mired in with the farmers and their protest across Delhi and surrounding areas, in Bengal, BJP is making an outreach to the maximum number of farmers possible in the best possible way. And what could be better than sharing the wealth of the farmers with some pride? With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Lohiwal in Katwa, Bardhaman for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.